In the heart of Africa's largest city, a sleeping giant awakens. Once a proud emblem of the Nigerian creativity, culture, and national identity, now reborn with a new pulse, a new vision. This is the story of legacy, transformation, and the rebirth of a national treasure. Step inside the stunning 68 billion naira transformation of the iconic National Theatre in Lagos. Built in 1976 for FESTAC 77.
The great festival, the best festival, the successful festival, all black Africans and the world blacks to meet in Nigeria for the great festival. All blacks in the world to meet in Nigeria from January 15, 1977. The black civilization, the revolution of Africa.
The National Theatre stood as a monumental ode to Nigerians' artistic spirit, modeled after the Palace of Culture and Sports in Varna, Bulgaria. It was more than the concrete and steel, it was a canvas for our stories, but like many monuments of its time, decades of neglect dimmed its glory until now. Over 60 billion naira invested, the federal government of Nigeria, backed by the Bankers Committee, envisioned not just a facelift, but a revolution. A space reborn not just for shows, but for innovation, for business, for technology, for the future. The goal? To transform this iconic site into a creative and entertainment city, Africa's largest cultural ecosystem. From every angle, the new National Theatre now commands presence. Sleek lines, a modern skin draped over a historical frame. Sustainability blended with style. Every inch of this structure tells a story, not just of revival, but of ambition. It is now more than a building, it is a statement. Step inside, a fusion of heritage and cutting-edge designs. Marble, glass, sound, and silence, all choreographed in harmony. From fully upgraded performance halls to world-class rehearsal studios, every space echoes readiness for greatness. Whether it is a symphony, a tech summit, or an art event, the new National Theatre is built to perform. The National Theatre is more than a landmark. It is a mirror of our past, our present, and our limitless potential. What you see now is not just concrete, glass, and light. It is the spirit of a nation rising again through its culture. From decay to destiny, from silence to symphony, this is not just a renovation, it is a resurrection. This is the new National Theatre, now known as the Wole Soyinka Center for Culture and Creative Arts, and this is only the beginning.